Yes, my people. Morning on top of the morning. Just there, you know. Everybody gets scared, everybody frightened. Don't know say Melissa is on us. So all the people them out there just, you know, pray for Jamaica and pray for all our citizens them, you know. As we there I try, you know, get over this thing quick and fast. Today was the 26th of October, Monday morning. They up on the veranda just go and look out and, you know, weather no look too bad as we do out here, you understand? You know, we're up on the northern part of the island, so, you know, the Montego Bay area, so, you know, we don't really get too much of it yet. I go put the word yet, you understand? But never know what's coming. But I look on the weather out here, you know, update, you know. You know, most YouTubers them already, you know, give you a good update, you understand? Go and big up Jevan, Spearfishing Brothers. I like the update when I give the people them, yeah man. But like Portland out to get a real hit of this thing. You understand? But we're there up on the St. James side, you know, we don't see too much of the weather yet, you know. Right now, the sky don't look too bad. You understand? I'm sure you know have view. The sky don't look too bad at the moment, you understand? See that coconut tree over there, so I'm worried about it. I watch it, you know. I'm worried about it. If you see that coconut tree there, anyway, we get some hard breezes, so it loaded. Just hope nothing wrong with it, you understand? Yeah. As we said, people, just there, I go and watch a little vibes. You know, say me I wait for my bridge, and now we are going go down on the waterfront, go look how the waterfront get affected. You understand? We are go on the waterfront, man, go check it out. And so I go on. See if they, you know, how the preparation of the people them are prepare and them things there. So I just go and stick and stay and go and watch. While I'm sure you know how, you know, most Montego be up on the sea coast. Actually we are go there. We are go down Hanover side, right at the border. Yeah, we want to go down at the border today. Down Great River side go. See how the water stay from that side come up, you understand? So I'm just go and stick and stay. And we just go and enjoy what we can enjoy until this storm, hurricane, you know, pass over. Something to take seriously. I'm not lie, my people. I take it serious because I want to look like I want serious thing. So just go and stick and stay, yeah?
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds' colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend, this love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the wild and free.
See there now, my people. They're on the road again on live update tonight. 26th of October. 27. Yeah, man. Did I 27? Yeah. God, yeah then. 27. If you want me to follow Melissa, Melissa told me in a mad bad. You know? We out there, you know, doing a live update of what go on. Yeah, 27th of the month. I wonder which day Melissa go fall upon. Because right now, in 1 week now, you know, Melissa be forward. No, Melissa can't forward. So, we're there now, I left for in Mobay, I go in Hanover, you know. Lord God. What people? As a fisherman, I'm embarrassed for sure the seaside. And I make last storm, you know, man. I'm embarrassed for sure the seaside. So I go on. Well, alright, my people. See it here now, you know. They're down on the border St. James and Hanover. Just check the weather status, you know. Then on Monday, I keep on a reminder to that Monday, 27th October. Here when them say Melissa will arrive. Yes, so I gotta check out the seaside then, no? Check out all the coast them to make sure say boy, you know a proper update of what go on. Down here, so I can't believe the weather. Come like the weather not reach down here, say it. Soon go show you down on the seaside. And everyone can see the sea from there. I'm soon show you the seaside, man. You can't believe it. Come like the weather not reach down them side there yet. Yeah. Then I'm bridging for. So I check you out, you understand? As you stick and stay, show you the seaside in a bit. Alright, come with me now, my people. Go check out the water now and see how down this stay. Do now update. I got through a pass, I get bush up here now. I get bush up. Like a long time, nobody never come down here. Yeah, man. Pass up like I get bush up here now.
Like a sunrise glow, touch so soft where the seasons
Still up on the seafront.
we met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just
yes, so Melissa, watch out.
whisper your name.
Melissa not starting damage down here, so
Love like an
look at my people, see there? See how down here stay, see there? Be a bamboo and sit in a washing. Come like Melissa clean up, you see. Like Melissa do a good job, man. Yeah, man, like Melissa do a good job so far. Okay. Like a clean Melissa clean up, you see. There are enough people. Still out here, man. Still out here. Staying safe and all. Yeah, man, we are staying safe. Look on the water with people. Brown. But you know, say, before hurricane, we see them water here even worse than this. So, to my shock, I can't believe it. I can't believe that. So, the water that look. I can't expect we have to tear off the whole of them place. And people say, walk with the igloo there and I ask if we not have two line, you know. Yes, man. We have the igloo and say, man, we still have two line. Yes, man, you never know. Man can't catch two sitting, can't fry during it. The weather. Yeah. It's at the border between Hanover and St. James. Yes, people. Then I'll go through, you know. Now look, whenever I look over this. What? I can't see that people really come with them. That's the one I rock with, man. Right, like we now got nowhere to walk after this, man. Where them place are? Where them place are? Oh God. Who now nowhere to walk? Remember one time we used to camp at them place, you know, man. So I'm them people. They have a rafting from the river. All them raft them better take them up, you know. Better take up them raft. See them people. Yes, no man. You know, update from the sea. As me tell you, you know, we still out here. And we did walk with line. And we did walk with couple bait. So we are going to throw 2 line and see where we can get the last fishing before the storm hit. We can see what bite in the water. So just stay tuned and go and watch what go on. Alright. Yes, my people, see it there now. Like afternoon this. Still they down on the beach side. I watch the weather, you see me? But let's throw 2 line. You actually catch a few pumping already, you know. Like you pumping out them a bite, you know. There out here, man, I watch the weather. Look out and see this, see? The weather. Yeah, man. Great river we're there now. Weather up on the seaside, boy. Weather not take on down so full yet. Rain just a drizzly now. Weather not take on fully yet. But you can see raft them out there, so. Yeah, man. Man, them pack up them raft on the side. But boy, if this a river you come down, you all of them raft they gone. Yes, no man. See it there. Well. Today look like it's the day when them say Miss Melissa or Mrs. Melissa are forward, so if I saw then I saw, go and big up all our followers. Remember, share, like and subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, just to make you know how the weather from the Hanover border you stay going into the St. James. Past there, you know. Line fishing, man, line fishing a starve, you know, people.
Up top.
You there, man, there? Hey, whether you say a man love fishing. Look at this. If my dear says storm a come, hurricane a come, look at what the people line fishing. They man there on the ground, you know. See, watch it. Look there. Line fishing in a storm, people. But you say them man are not easy at all. I know say you bless you, man. Yeah, man. So we there are looking a meal now, you know. Fry fish we go and wait for the weather and watch the weather. Rough, you can get rough and end up here. I hope this weather man right. Yes, man. As me I say people, I hope this weather man get it right. You know. Come on, by rain, come on. These are people. We love the fishing. Now Monday for the 27th of October. And we are get the last fishing in before Melissa come doing thing. Yes, man. See there? When I come back at these places, I know say boy the fishing place are gone, you know, man. See how far the water come, but there. All the way up under here, so. Remember when we and the family used to camp right here, so. Yeah, man, enough camping with here, so, man. Enough camping. See there?
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name